Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle and this is Janelle's Scent Closet. Right here at the fragrant desk for today, we have an unboxing. I did tease this order from Heaven Sent by Shannon. I did order this back in October. So I just love, if you're not familiar with Heaven Sent by Shannon, they are an indie perfume brand. Just wonderful creations coming out of that house, and their newest marshmallow is Marshmallow Goddess. Okay, limited quantities. It was on sale for they might, if they still have some left over for Black Friday sale, they will go ahead and leave it up on the site. I have here just the cutest little box. They really do a nice job with their packaging. I have this was an October order, so it's the color, the theme is on point. The tissue paper is always super cute. And I saw a pumpkin in here. Oh, here it is. And it was an October order, so I got a little pumpkin. Really, really nice. Attention to detail and all of that. Customer service and whatnot. So I did tease this order, as I'm saying, back in during the unboxings. I'll link the unboxings in the description for you guys in case you're not, haven't checked those out yet. And this is another unboxing. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and continue watching. Consider hitting that subscription button and the bell so you'll be notified to new videos. I have my scent strips here ready to go. And we're going to do some first impressions, okay? Sorry, loud. Sorry for being loud. I do want to get my nose on the Marshmallow Goddess. Like, that's the first one I want to try, okay? So I will be reading. Normally, I just kind of grab, but today, ooh, Whip It Good was another one that I was super, super excited about. Okay, so here we are. We have Marshmallow Goddess. Oh my gosh. Has it been sitting for a while? No, not too long. Normally I let these sit for forever because I don't get to the unboxings because life. But lately we've been on point. Oh my gosh, that smells like marshmallows. Oh, I'm spraying everywhere. Oh, that is a nice sugary mallow. Yep. I will go as far as to say that I get that really, really strong marshmallow, almost like tonic leaning opening, extremely strong, that I get from Citizana's In Love Someday. So if you've not got your nose on Citizana's or Citizana's In Love Someday, this is a perfume elixir. And I am definitely getting an air to this, okay? Really, really strong. Oh, I kind of want to put that on the skin and see what's going on. Oh, what do I have there? Oh my gosh. I smell good. So let me spray it over here where I don't smell as good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is strong. I get that really almost sour smell. So, it's something that is going to last you all day long, I feel. Oh, and then it's going to just kind of morph into this wonderful, sugary, just fluffy marshmallow. Ah, this is a winner. Oh, by all means. And at the price point, come on. This is good, okay? Yes. I'm a fan. It's a winner. Let's go with Whip It Good next. If you're curious, this is as close as I can get to you guys right now with what the Marshmallow Goddess smells like. I mean, definitely. It also gives an air to her other marshmallows, but different. So it's not exactly the same. Does it have, I'm mentioning that it smells like this. This has an iris tone, okay? It does have that iris, candied iris scent. This Marshmallow Goddess is not giving me that iris candy scent, but it's definitely giving me the same strength, intensity, and the same marshmallow feel that I do get from that other fragrance. Okay, so I'm not saying that it smells identical to this. This is its own thing altogether, but the strength and the marshmallow, okay, yes, very much so. Let's go ahead and smell Whip It Good, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yes. I didn't even give you the notes for Marshmallow Goddess, and I like to do that. Pure marshmallow scent, no buttery, no fruity notes, no cotton candy, just marshmallow, delicious, pure and simple. And I agree. I don't pick up anything else really, in it. Now Whip It Good is a bit of a blend. So let me tell you guys real quick. It is also new. Oh, I love newness. Newness is always good. Oh, I'm about to sneeze because that Marshmallow Goddess is strong. Oh my god. Okay, so Whip It Good says it captures the playful magic of your favorite sweet treats. So we have here a joyful sprinkle of sugar, airy whipped cream. We also have some gooey marshmallow, it says. Marshmallow creme. Okay, a smooth splash of vanilla and a whisper of soft musk. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's strong as well, but I'm like, what is that? What is that noise? It's the candles over there. It's the wick. It's just really loud. It sounded like Charlie was in here biting on his bone. Oh my gosh. This is different. I don't have anything that smells like this, you guys. I am getting, a definite different air. It is not super, super lactonic, but it is definitely sweet and airy. Oh, that's a sweet and airy scent. That is a really nice. I'm gonna have to do a full wear test to see what else, this is gonna give us. If it's gonna last all day. It is definitely sweet and airy and, fluffy. Wow, so nice. That's a really, really nice one. I'm super happy with both of these so far. We got the Whip It Good, which just smells so light and airy. Yes. But at the same time, you have that sweet marshmallow taste. I'm not tasting these. Maybe like a marshmallow fluff is what this is kind of giving me. But it has a lighter feel to it, almost like a cashmere touch. Oh, that was so, so nice. Okay, next we have Dulce's Infundo, okay? I was super excited about this one. Whip It Good is good. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. I can't believe, all these marshmallows can be the same but different. Just so, so nice. So the Dulces Infundo is one of my favorite Profumum Romas. I already took it back to the room. Yes, citrus, vanilla, gorgeousness. That's what I'm getting here. And again, super strong, you guys. Oh man, yes. Really, I should have brought it out. Really close to the original. The same feel. I'll have to do a side-by-side wear test of this. Oh, but definitely get that, citrus, wanting to lean orange. Like mainly straight up what hits me is orange. Oh gosh, orange vanilla. Delicious. Oh, definitely. And I'm not sure. I don't think I did Father Figure in my last unboxing because I had gifted it. So just in case I didn't, let's go ahead and do that. Inspired by Fleur's Father Figure. I have not smelled the original. I wouldn't mind getting a sample of that. Ooh, so sweet, so fruity. Fruity fig and vanilla. That is what I'm getting. Oh, yes, fruity fig. Delicious. Oh, delicious. This is really, really good. I did get great feedback from the beautiful woman I gifted this to, and she loved it, okay? So it's a good for go. So much so that I think we're going to need to upsize this. This smells just really, really relaxing, okay, is what I'm getting. I'm getting a sweet, but not in a super gourmand edible way. I'm also getting a calming, like skincare smell. So straight out the shower type feel. Very comforting. I like that. Father Figure by Fleur. We're going to have to give that a full day. I'm going to have to do that Whip It Good as well. Ooh. Yes, that is different. And then the Marshmallow Goddess, forget it. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Yes, and the Dulces Infundo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are 4 for 4 on this unboxing and first impression, you guys, from Heaven Sent by Shannon. If you want to check them out during their Black Friday sale, then by all means, I highly recommend, okay? Because they really know how to put you know, some fragrances together over there. Yes, they do. Really, really exciting. You know, I don't have a whole lot of misses from this company. Gosh, I'm gonna keep it separate here. I have a whole box over there that I need to kind of deep dive into for you guys. Next, I do have an awesome unboxing I want to do that I'll probably just do right now in a minute for you guys. I don't want to do it within this video because it's a different topic. But I did get a backup of my Sitsana's In Love Someday. I got a backup bottle because it was that good, okay? That good, that unique. And I also have a scent split order. So I have some decants that I ordered in here from the Fragment, and then I have these scent split decants, you know, samples. So I think I want to pick out the Gourmand vanillas and definitely go at it with, you know, a week of reviews of that. And then just exciting things here at the fragrant desk. We also have, I want to do a comparison for you guys of Cirque du Soleil, okay? One of my favorites, not the original though, surprisingly. I just love to explore. I do have a little dent in this decant because I love to wear test it side by side. And every time I do, I'm reminded that Cirque du Soleil just evades me after a couple hours. And that's why I just really love to explore all the different inspired by products and fragrances. So we're going to do a little compare and contrast. I think I've done another one for Cirque du Soleil on the channel. You know, because I do have the Dua version that turned out to be really, really good. But I've gone and tested some more. So I want to do a video on that. And we're going to include some MBK products, Dirty Soul Soap Company as well, which I might have already talked about in the past. Oh, just exciting. It's going to be nice, I feel. I kind of just developed in my head. And then I said, I need to talk to them about this. I do. That was it for today, you guys. Little unboxing. I think it was literally just 4 fragrances, but it was winners. They were winners. Yes. Oh, getting lipstick all over. That was it for today. I'll be right back with the other unboxing. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day, your night, or your evening. The fly wants the goodies. And you stay safe. Bye-bye.